What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of DevTalks with your host, Travian. In this episode, we're going to be diving into more about this interview that Tiff did with Jensen Huang, who is the CEO of NVIDIA. And he kind of gave some career advice, and he said some things. I've seen this. We covered the first part, but he said some things that I've definitely said before for the past year at least, if not two. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share with your friends and family. I really appreciate it all, and let's dive in.
Working in technology, and a common question asked is, there's so many areas within tech that you can get into or kind of grow your career into. It seems like artificial intelligence from both the business and technical standpoint is definitely a great area for them to continue to pursue.
Yeah, I think the of course there's contributing to the basic science of artificial intelligence, and I think that's terrific. However, the next decade, the application of artificial intelligence, the applied sciences, is going to be really important.
Yes.
I work with ChatGPT as a companion every day. And so I have ChatGPT on all the time, and I'm asking it questions and working with it to solve problems. You have to learn how to interact with AI, and prompting, as you know, has a real art to it, and there's art and science associated with prompting. And so the way you interact with people, the way you interact with AIs, you're going to have to learn how to do that. And how do you apply AI to content creation? How do you apply AI to engineering? Or how do you apply AI to software development? Or how do you apply AI to marketing or finance or the legal profession? Whatever field that you're interested in,
Yeah.
How do you apply AI to that? That's an area that I think is worthy of a lot of research and a lot of development. And so I think the whereas my generation was really about how do we apply computers
Yeah.
to solve chip design and software engineering. This generation is how do we apply AI to solve answer all of those same basic questions. How do I apply AI to forestry? How do I apply AI to oceanography? How do I, so on and so forth.
So that's what he said. So there's two main points that I wanted to take through this, that off this last question. The first point is he was talking about where to go into, where to focus areas. And I've always said two focus areas that if you're an engineer, you're studying computer science, software engineering, where should your concentrations lie? And I said data and AI. Those are the two places that I believe are the safest places to work as far as which your concentrations are in. The two places that have some growth that still needs to be figured out. And they're going to continue growing, especially in the AI field. And you see the CEO of NVIDIA, who is the leading company in artificial intelligence right now, talking about where you should do it. Mind you, he could be saying this because they need more workers, and they know they need more people. They know they need to encourage more people to concentrate in AI and everything along those lines. But it's crazy. You cover this stuff in and day out. You work in the field and stuff, and then you know what people are going to have to like really focus on. You get a better idea. Like when you were in college, it's not something that just you think about all the time. I remember in college trying to figure out what to focus on, and I didn't want to tie myself down to one thing, but AI wasn't really big on me. It wasn't really a big thing before I graduated and stuff. This boom came right after I graduated. If you're in school, switch to it, see what you can figure out, see how you like it, see if you're able to get through it all and everything along the lines from there. But that was the first thing that he told. Where you should concentrate in the applied sciences along with AI. As far as that, like trying to figure out all the sciences and algorithms and stuff and how to make it work better, all that, just dive into it. It's better if you're more passionate into it as well, too. The second thing, working with AI. Another thing that I was saying a long time ago, all 2024 especially, whenever we covered anything with AI or software engineers and like needing some career advice, is You need to figure out how to use AI in your day-to-day workforce and grow on that line. If you can't do that, you're going to get beat by everybody else because they're going to be able to work more efficiently. They're going to be able to do everything more better than you, and they're going to be able to grow past you in ways that you won't be able to keep up because you're not using AI to learn to do your engineering work. You're not using it to get your work done. You're not using it to its fullest advantages and capabilities. And I could do a separate channel on my personal channel, which will be linked down below in the description, along with Tiff's channel, because this is her thing. So go subscribe to her and everything. I'd love to talk to her more and figure out all that nice jazz and stuff. But these are the things that everybody needs to focus on now. Like, you need to know how you're going to use these tools. Every company, there's a reason why almost every company after OpenAI released ChatGPT, they all found a way to try to use AI to make stuff better. Every company you go at has an AI team trying to figure out how they can use AI to make their company better and have it grow in certain ways. Every company's doing it. And if a company didn't, they're not doing so well. They fell down the totem pole and everything, and it's just not going good for them. And I wanted to cover that because I feel like it'd be worth more if you've seen somebody else who's successful in the industry say something like this as well too. And I will go through both of these topics way more in detail on my personal channel down below. But without further ado, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. I really appreciate it all. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the video that pops up right about now. Peace. See y'all next time. Have a good one.